Hi, I am Ruel Azares and I am a former student in Pinoy SEO Batch 34. For me, the most important tools in SEO is Google Search Console. Why? Because it shows you what keywords you are ranking for. It shows you indexing issues, technical errors, and page performance. It's direct data from Google itself. Without Search Console, you're guessing. With it, you're making decisions based on your data.
Hi, I'm Helvin and Ruel. I'm an SEO specialist and a proud graduate of School of Virtual Assistant or SOVA here in the Philippines. The most important SEO tool I'm using right now is Google Search Console. It gives me real data, what keywords are driving impressions, which pages are ranking, and where I can improve CTR and positions. I use it to find low-hanging opportunities, optimize title tags, align content with search intent, and improve overall on-page SEO performance. For content, I use Premium ChatGPT 5 and Kimi to generate blog outline fast. This speed up my workflow so I can focus on strategy and optimization instead of starting from scratch. For me, SEO today is about data and smart decision. If you want to connect, follow me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Helvin and Ruel, and on TikTok at Helvin. That's all. Thank you so much.